With none of the 10 candidates from different parties who cleared the scrutiny withdrawing their nomination on the day of withdrawal, it is now certain that 10 candidates are in the fray for the ensuing election 18 Lok Sabha polls. Of the total candidates, 6 are contesting from the inner seat and 4 in the outer seat. The withdrawal period ended at 3 p.m. today. The candidates in the inner parliamentary constituency are BJP's Thaungnaucham Basantakumar, INC's Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, Maheshwar Thaungnaucham of RPI, and independent candidates RK Somorendro, Moirangthem Tomtom Sana Nongshaba, and Haurungbam Sarat. The candidates in the outer parliamentary constituency are INC's Alfred Kangam S. Arthur, Kaitri Timothy Zigmek of NPF, and independent candidate Dr. Ellison Abonmei and S. Kochon. Notably, altogether, 11 candidates filed their nomination papers, but the nomination of RJSP Ngasepam Nilakanta was rejected by the RO concerned. The elections for the inner parliamentary constituency will be held on April 19 and April 26 for the outer parliamentary constituency. The results will be declared on June 4th.